Good morning everybody, Do Girl here. You'll just have to bear with me with my camera angle. I've just been in and brushed down and scraped down all my perches and all my nest boxes and sprayed them all down. It smells like, how can I describe it? Lice treatment for kids' hairs. This is remember I was telling you I was using the Johnson's powder for the lice treatment. I didn't like it. Well, I ordered this one here to try this pigeon dip. It's Osmond's. And what I did was put 4 litres of hot water in my bucket. I've got here warm water, and it says to add 20 millilitres of dip to every litre of warm water, so that was 80 mils of this to 4 litres of water. Because I've already, the ants in the new I've blocked off the aviary, so it's easier for me to try and get them. I've had to do it in the daylight to try and get a video, but I've got Jenny here. And all I'm going to do, obviously I can't get the right camera angle and I'm sorry, is I'm just going to slightly turn head up, keep her head above the water, and I'm just going to sit her in it, and I'm going to rub the solution on, and I'll totally soak her in it. That's her, totally soaked, she'll hate it. One down, 31 to go. So they'll not be getting it the day. So, and it'll be quite easy for me to see who's not been dipped. So let's go, who's next? There's Sunrise, she was easy to catch. Right, hen. Keep your head above and soak you, that's you. Right under, and hopefully this will work a bit better. That's hot. There you go. Everyone, quick, easy, head above the water. There we go. Who's next? I'm just trying to do it fast. Sorry you can't see, but you know when they come out, they've been totally drenched. I'm not missing anything. There you go, hen. And again, above the water, keep their eyes, their head out it. As I said, all the nest boxes and everything's been done. The tuxedo, straight in, I'm not messing about, I've not got time to mess about. Because it'll be stressful to them. Never did anything last to them before. I've always used the powder. You dust it. Don't fight me, son. That's it. That's it. Right. Whack it. Sorry I can't pause and edit my video. There we go. I'll try and don't know what's happening there.